Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today is all about the electric dryer. If the dryer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy solutions you can try to get the appliance back up and running. If your dryer takes too long to dry, this could be due to the humidity. It can make the appliance take longer to dry due to the excess moisture in the air. In this case, try using a dehumidifier in your laundry room to remedy this. If the room doesn't have humidity problems, the exhaust duct requirements may not have been met for the appliance. The exhaust duct must be at least 4 inches in diameter and made of rigid or semi-rigid metal. When in place, the duct must not exceed the recommended length. Make sure to check the duct inside the home and outside the home. There could be an obstruction in the venting like leaf litter or an animal nest. Be sure to check the duct at least once a year for cleaning. If you have a big family, consider every 6 months. If there isn't a problem with the exhaust duct, make sure all the lint has been removed from the dryer lint filter before starting each cycle. Allowing lint to build up prevents the dryer from being able to exhaust hot air, causing overheating. If you're still encountering issues with your dryer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that repair call can save you time and money. I hope this video helped. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.